A sales CRM, pipeline contacts, deal tracking, a real dashboard. That's the kind of software that companies pay, $50, $100 a month for each. I'm going to build one of these from a single sentence, ship it live to production, and have it running before this video is over. So no code editor, no setup. Here we go. This is Modelence. So you describe the app you want to build in plain English. It builds the whole thing, the backend, the database, the front end, a real deployable app, not a mock-up. So here's the plan. I'll ask it for a CRM with a Kanban sales pipeline. Then I'll publish it to live production and open the real URL myself. So in everything I build and deploy here, you can go do on the free plan. I'm on a paid account, of course, but I'll call out exactly what's free and what's paid as we go. So build a CRM with a Kanban style pipeline view, lead, qualified, proposal, one lost, contact management, and deal value tracking. Include a dashboard with totals per stage. And one thing I love about AI is you can misspell things. I'm not even going to fix this, because AI will know what I'm talking about. So this is one sentence, a Kanban pipeline, lead, qualified, proposal, won or lost, contact management, deal values, a dashboard. Let's go. So it starts by spinning up the environment, getting a database. Then it's going to clone the repository, install dependencies, and then get going with the actual implementation. So, and I really like it stops to ask questions, so it doesn't just guess what it should build, but it actually asks questions to make sure it's building the right thing. So how should deals relate to contacts? Let's do each deal is linked to one contact. Who is this CRM for? We could make it for just me or for a team. We'll say it's just for me. And let's start with the Kanban pipeline first. So it's still building. You can see kind of the starting of here's the landing page. So, and as it's building, we can take a little bit look around here, but it's starting to create a config file. So like different, you can set a demo username and a demo password. You can see the users that are in the app that you can auth in with. And you get a lot of visibility into the database. You can see we already have a database going here. And I'll come back to monitoring and logs here in a little bit. All right, so it finished the pipeline itself. So let's open that up. It's asking what to build next. So here is the actual pipeline. We'll say we have an enterprise deal worth $10,000 ready to go. We'll say for James Pelton. All right, so it's starting in lead, but you can move it over to qualified, over to proposal. So pipeline looking pretty good. So now let's build the dashboard page. All right, so pipeline was done. Now the dashboard is done with using the actual data there. Then it's asking build the contacts management page next. Yes, let's go forward with that. Let's just get it all done. All right, so the contacts should now be built here. Yep, so here's the contact I added. James Pelton, added myself as a contact. So we built the Kanban pipeline, we built the dashboard, the contacts, the deal value tracking throughout. We're basically done. And this has taken me, it's taken me a total of about 20 seconds of brain power. And it's probably taken about 10 minutes of real time just watching the AI. But again, one thing I love about AI doing things is you can multitask. So I could be building a second app while I'm working on this one. But let's go ahead and deploy this CRM. So, and one thing I love about Modelence is you can deploy even for free when it's small. So you can kind of you can deploy things for free and then kind of wait to see if it takes off. And then as you need to, you can upgrade and start paying if you need the processing power. But you can go ahead and just deploy for free. All right, so we are deployed and we are live. So let's go ahead and open up the URL. Let me create a new account here. So an email verification is already set up. That was included in with the app as it was built. All right, now this is live and it's working. Here's our pipeline. We have our dashboard, our contacts. We have a working app here that I built just on this video. Now, if I wanted to keep going, I could add a custom domain. and I could start selling this as a software as a service. And one thing I think that really sets this apart from other coding apps is how much transparency you get into the backend. So you can go into users, you don't have to, again, know anything technical. They have tabs where you can just go in and see the users. You can go in, see what's in the database. They have this great monitoring system where you can kind of see, hey, how much traffic am I getting? How much CPU is being used? How much memory is being used? You can see every email that's gone out. So like that verification email, it shows in here. If you're hooked up to AI, you get a lot of AI transparency here. But pretty much you get everything that you need to start up a software business. So you can write some software and have it up and running, ready to sell. And I mean, what did this take me? 5 or 10 minutes. So go check it out, build something cool, and let me know what you built. We'll see you in there.